Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background and converting that copy to a smart object so every change stays reversible. Once done, apply unsharp mask to recover edge contrast, increase amount aggressively, and keep radius low to protect text strokes. You do this because sharpening enhances local contrast around edges, making blurred letters read clearer. Make sure to preview at 100% to judge legibility. You can lower opacity later for a subtler result if sharpening introduces halos. Next, reduce noise and strengthen midtone contrast to reveal finer letter forms. You'll run reduce noise to smooth background grain while preserving edges. That reduces artifacts that compete with text. Then open Camera Raw filter and boost clarity and texture to make ink and paper structure pop. If the blur is directional, use shake reduction to estimate motion path. It can reconstruct strokes. Make sure to toggle the smart filter mask to limit effects only to text areas, preserving natural background detail. To finish, isolate text with a layer mask and paint effects in precisely where letters need help, which prevents haloing on surrounding pixels. Once masked, use levels or curves to deepen blacks and lift whites, increasing perceived sharpness. Do this gently to avoid clipping. If you still see smudges or halos, perform frequency separation. Work on the high-frequency layer to retouch edges and the low-frequency layer to smooth tones. You'll end with a merged copy for export and keep originals intact for future tweaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.